Okay, dear students, now we will discuss some problems related to Coulomb's law. Okay, na? So main formulas required is first Q is equal to plus or minus NE. Then second formula is this F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught or 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay. Next, third formula we required is this F is equal to K Q summation of Qn divided by Rn square, where n is equal to 1 to n itself. Okay. So these are the very important formula. Then fourth formula, this force at air divided by force at medium is equal to epsilon r, where epsilon r can be written as epsilon at medium divided by epsilon at air, or this F air is equal to, it is a very important formula, it is also very important. Okay, these are the important formula for next to solve the problems. Okay, let's see the problems related to this. Okay, so first problem, a polythene piece rubbed with wool found to have a negative charge of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Estimate number of electrons transferred. Okay, see how to solve this. So first of all, a polythene piece is rubbed with wool found to have negative charge. See here, it is your polythene is rubbed with your wool. Okay, rubbed with your wool. When these two are rubbed each other, then I want to calculate number of electrons transferred. Number of electrons transferred means what? So this Q is given. This Q is equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay. Then N I want to calculate. So Q is given, N is given. From the formula, Q is equal to what? Ne. So what is the charge of electron? So this E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So calculate it. Then N can be written as N is equal to Q divided by E. So this N is equal to Q. Q is, it will be 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by E. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So 16 ones are 16 twos are. Then N is equal to, if it comes upside, it will be plus 19. So 2 into 10 to the power plus 12 is the number of electrons. So according to quantization of charge, what I told, the number of charges must be what? Not in a fraction, must be in number itself. It is 2. 2 is the sense quantization of charge, rule of quantization of charge is applicable. So next question. Next question. Say the electrostatic force of repulsion between two positively charged ions carrying equal charges is 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 Newton when they are separated by a distance of 5 angstrom unit. How many electrons are missing from each ions? See here, what I had given solution for this. The electrostatic force of repulsion between two positive charges. So ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಕೂಲಂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಡಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. So see here, these Q1, Q2, two charges separated by distance how much? 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. Angstrom unit means 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. So charged ion equal charges means these two charges are equal. Equal means what? If it is Q1, it is also must be Q1. Then each ion carrying equal charges 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 9. Q1, Q2 is equal to Q1, Q itself. Okay. When they are separated by distances 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 by the distance, how many electrons are missing from each ion? How many electrons are missing means I want to calculate what is N is equal to. Okay. How to calculate N is equal to? Then F is given. F is equal to how much? This F is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 Newton. Okay. F is given. Then find out. If by according to Coulomb's law, this F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. What is the value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught? This F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 into Q2. Shall I write? It will be Q1 square, Q1 into Q1 itself, whole divided by R square. It will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 10, its whole square. Then F is also given. What is the value of F? It will be 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 its square. Then calculate what is Q square. Then this Q square is equal to, it will multiply over here. This will be 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 its square divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So this Q square will be 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 25 into, so see here, a to the power m into a to the power n. It will be a to the power m into n means 10 to the power minus 20 itself. Okay. So it will be 10 to the power minus 20 whole divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So calculate this. This value will be 92. Q square is equal to, the whole value will becomes, this Q is equal to 3.2058 into 10 to the power minus 19. Calculate this Q. Okay. So calculator in the Q calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಸಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Then Q I had calculated. We know Q number can be calculated by using what? This N is equal to Q divided by E. This N is equal to Q it will be 3.2058 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. 19 get cancels. It will be 2.0036 is the answer. Okay, na? So these are the number of charges. Then next question. See the next question. See this question. Find the forces between two small charged sphere having the charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. First of all, I want to calculate force in air. Then second one, in medium. Force in medium I want to calculate, but dielectric constant is given. How much it is? Epsilon r is given. It will be 4.5. See here. Find the forces between. Let us consider. It will be your Q1. Here will be your Q2. These two separated by distance is. Shall I write 0.3 meter? Because 30 centimeter means what? 0.3 meter I am converting. F1, Q1 is given. It will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. And Q2 is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. So F at air I want to calculate first. This is F at air is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This at F at air is equal to K. It will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1. 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 whole divided by R square. It will be 0.3 whole square. Okay. Then this F air is equal to 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54 into 10 to the power 7 plus 7. It will be 14. 14 plus minus 14 plus 9. It will be minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 0.3 whole square. It will be 0.09. Okay. Then this F at air is equal to, if I want to remove, if I want to make it as 9, I want to keep 2 zeros over here. Okay. It will be 5400 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 600. This F at air is equal to 600 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Okay, na? Then 600 Newton. Then we know that this F at air divided by F at medium is equal to epsilon r. So here epsilon r is given already. What is the value of epsilon r? It will be 4.5. So if it is 4.5, then write down. I want to calculate what? B. In medium, force at medium I want to calculate. Okay. So this F at medium is equal to F at air divided by epsilon r. Okay. Then this F at medium is equal to F at air. It will be 600 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by epsilon r will be 4.5. So F at medium is equal to, total answer will be 1.33. 1.33 Newton. Okay. Calculate yourself only by using calculator. Okay. Then next question. See this question. 2 point charges of each 0.65 microcoulomb means here will be your Q1, it will be your Q2. So each of charges Q1 is equal to Q2, 0.65 into minus micro means it will be 10 to the power minus 6. See here, he had told each of means both are having the same quantity, means it is also 0.65 into 10 to the power minus 6 separated by a distance. It will be 0.5 meter. Okay, it will be 0.5 meter. First of all, what is the force of repulsion? First I want to calculate A. F at air is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Then this F at air is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 0.65 into 10 to the power minus 6, 0.65 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by R square. What is R? R is equal to 0.5. Then epsilon R is given, it will be 80. Then it will be 0.5 whole square. Then this F at air is equal to, calculated by calculator, by using calculator. So F at air is equal to, final formula, final answer will be 1.521 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. Okay, na? So F at air we had calculated. Then B, come to the point of B. How to calculate B? What is the force of repulsion if each charge is doubled? See here, if it is Q1, Q1 is doubled means it will be 2 Q1. Q2 is doubled, it will be 2 Q2. Okay, just write this formula. F dash is equal to, this F dash is equal to K, instead of Q1 shall I write 2 Q1 into 2 Q2 whole divided by R square. R square means here. Then what here told, and distance is halved. Distance is halved means 0.5 divided by 2, it's a square. Distance is half. So write on this. This F dash is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 0.65 into 10 to the power minus 6. Next, again 2 into 10 to the 2 into 0.65 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by 0.25, it's a square. Okay, so after calculating whole of this F dash will be 0.243 Newton. Okay, so B is completed. Then come to the point of C. Okay, so I will rub this. I am writing F at air is equal to what? What is the value of F at air? 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, I am removing this. I am rubbing this. Okay, how to calculate C? C can be calculated. So your C will be, C is equal to, what is the force of repulsion if two charges are placed in water? Okay, water itself here told. So we know that F at air divided by F at medium is equal to epsilon R. Okay, epsilon R is equal to, our value will be 80. F at air, what is the value of F at air? It will be 1.52. So F medium means what here? Here will be water is a medium. Water is equal to F at air divided by epsilon naught. So this force at water is equal to F at air. It will be 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole divided by 80. So this force at water will be 1.90 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Okay, na? So this is the problem. See here, one more very important factor, as I told, the force at air is always maximum. See here, these two are point charges. If I am not keeping any kind of medium between these two, then force must be maximum. If I am keeping any kind of medium between these two charged particles, then what happens? Force must be decreases. Means before these two charges are at air, it will be 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then water, it will be water, it will be 1.90 into 10 to the power minus 4. Minus 4, as we are going in a negative, it will be decreases. 10 to the power minus 1 is greater than 10 to the power minus 2. Like this, F at air is greater than F at medium. Okay. Next question. See this question. Find the separation between two protons in order that the electrostatic repulsive force acting on them may be equal to its weight. Okay. See here, what here given? Find the separation between these two protons. What is the charge of proton? It will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay. See here, it will be Q1, Q2 is here, separated by a distance. Here not given. I want to calculate the separation between these two. I want to calculate what is R. So Q1 is given. Find the separation between two protons. So what is the charge of proton? Charge of proton must be, so it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and it is also 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So Q1 is given, Q2 is given. But if electrostatic force conditions here, that the electrostatic repulsive force acting on either of them may be equal to its weight. Okay, so I am writing this electrostatic force is equal to acting on what? M into G. Got the point? See at this point, the electrostatic repulsive force acting on either of them may be equal to its weight. Equal means what? Electrostatic force is equal to its weight. Weight is equal to what? Weight is equal to mg. So instead of weight, he had told that electrostatic force is equal to its weight. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, electrostatic repulsive force is equal to its weight. Electrostatic force is equal to its weight. Okay. What is electrostatic force equation? It will be KQ1 Q2 divided by R square is equal to F is equal to M into G. So what is the mass of proton? Mass of the proton will be 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Then write down this first. K is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Then again 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole divided by, separated by distance I don't know, keep as it is equal to mass of the proton. It will be mass of the proton. Mass of the proton will be 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. Value of G we know, it will be 9.8. It will be 9.8. Then R square can be written as how? This R square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole divided by R square. R square is equal to means what? It will come here. It will be 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. Then this R square, final value of R square will be 1.408. 1.408 into 10 to the power minus 2. R square. What I want to calculate? R is equal to what? It will be 0.119 meter is the final answer. Okay na? So next question.